Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Install the Tag Assistant extension and sign into Chrome with the Google account that manages your tags. Open the website you want to test and make sure you can edit or preview its Tag Manager container. Once done, click the extension icon, choose the Tag Assistant type you installed, and enable recording or connect to Tag Assistant Companion. This kicks off live validation so you can capture tag activity as you navigate the site. Now run a recording. Reload the page with the extension active so Tag Assistant captures the full tag lifecycle. You'll see which tags fired, which didn't, and any JavaScript or trigger errors. Make sure to exercise the site paths and events that should trigger tags, click buttons, submit forms, and trigger page views. Once recorded, step through the timeline, inspect data layer pushes and event parameters, and note mismatches between expected and actual triggers to guide fixes. Finish by saving your session or exporting screenshots and logs for reference. If a tag failed, prioritize checking trigger conditions, data layer variable names, and whether the container is published. Unpublished changes won't fire in production. Make sure there are no console errors blocking scripts and that any ad blockers are disabled during testing. After applying fixes, clear cache, repeat the recording, and verify real-time analytics for incoming hits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.